It's Jack from Qube Bmx. I'm going to do a bike check, and this is my trailer park custom. So I want to start from the front. I've got the ODI long neck grips, pretty nice. They take ages to wear, which is good because I normally go through grips within the first probably about a month, and these have lasted for like ever and they're still fresh. Bar ends are also ODI. Got the Federal Time bars in red. The Colt Ruster stem. Yes, I know they're red. Then I've got the Clat Stream forks, which haven't got no welds, and they're proper strong. They're still fine, and I've had them for about a year now. Then I've got a proper rim laced to a BSD street hub. Don't know if you can see it. Then I've got two G-Sport glands, which cost about £10. They come with a lifetime guarantee, which is sweet. And I've got a kink light peg on this side and a Odyssey J peg on this side. Peg's a peg, can't really say much more. Got a Mutiny seat in like leather, which looks sweet. Got a unknown seat post, I don't know what it is, but I've had it for like long.
Long.
Yeah, long. Well, that screen though. Right, then I've got the DMR V8 pedals. Brilliant pedals, but if anything, they've got too much grip for my taste. You're just locked in, and you like, you know, if you like that, then they're great pedals. But if you're someone who likes to move about and sort of like readjust, then I wouldn't advise getting these. I've got the We The People Royals V2s, which are pretty good. Do their job. They haven't bent. Yeah. Then I've got the Sunday Sprocket 27 tooth, which I'll soon be getting rid of because I sort of just got bored of the gearing. It's just too hard. Just got a mixed chain. It's just links from loads of different bits and a bit of a mix and match chain here. Then I've got a Odyssey Hazard Light rim laced again to a BSD street hub.
What are your spoke nipples?
Metal. I've also got a kink light peg on this side and then another Odyssey J peg on this side. I've also got a Primo DSG hub guard. If you flip my bike over. Yeah. Oh yeah, the frame is the BSD Trailer Park 2013. It's got a 20.75 top tube and a 13.25 back end. I think that's it. I think I've covered it all.
Your harp sound.
Alright, for people who like hub sounds. Oh, tyres. Tyres are a Clat, and that's all I know. Pretty good. They haven't worn. Alright, sweet. Thanks for checking out my